Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Amal Al-Agroubi and I have ambitions to become one of the greatest filmmakers of all time. Join me on my journey. I joined the film industry in 2012. Having come from a science background, I never studied film. I never went to film school and I was never given guidance in terms of filmmaking. I basically learned how to become a filmmaker through reading books and watching videos and learning from other people and learning by doing. And there's so much information that I wish was available to me and so much advice that I wish people had given to me at the time to help me on my journey. You must be wondering how I got started. Well, Ridley Scott and Michael Fassbender started a film competition in 2011 called Your Film Festival. And as part of that competition, they asked that you make a 10-minute short, whether it's a documentary, an animation, or a narrative film that is quite personal to you. Well, I used that opportunity to shoot my first film. Like I said, it had to be something personal to me. And my first film was called Half Emirati. It was a short documentary. I had no idea what to do or how to do it. I just called friends and basically said, how do I find somebody who knows how to use a camera? Where do I shoot? How do I shoot this? What do I do? And it was a learning process for me. After Half Emirati in 2012, I went on to make another film, which was a documentary feature called The Brain That Sings. And after that, I made a fiction film called Under the Hat. And after that, and after that, and after that, well, guess what? I'm still going. The reason why I am launching this YouTube channel is to give you information, and hopefully in viewing my journey, you can start your own journey too. So who are you? You could be anyone. You could be someone who's just interested in film. You could be someone who's interested in acting, in script writing, in editing. I mean, the list goes on. The number one lesson that I have learned in my filmmaking journey is perseverance. I've been doing this for years and I'm still continuing to do it, and I won't give up, and I hope that you don't give up either. If you have any suggestions for videos that you would like to see or aspects of filmmaking that you'd like me to focus on, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much. Take care. Goodbye.